Morning YouTube. Went to Himley Hall mini show yesterday, pick up a few little bits, but to be honest I was a bit disappointed. Been there loads of times in the past and there wasn't many trade stalls there, and it was not many new classic minis, a lot of new ones, and just seemed a bit quieter than usual. So still got a few bits. Bank holiday Monday after the King's coronation, and it's a bit miserable, so good day to get in the garage. Gonna have a bit of a tidy up, move the cars around, and then have a go on have a bit of a go doing this project, see what we can do with it. So stick around, see what we're up to. So I've just been unboxing a new sandblaster and air compressor. So that's going to come in really handy doing up some of these bits for the Project Mini. So I'm going to blast obviously everything in the cabinet, paint it all, grind it all, so everything should be looking spot on. So I'll stick you in a sandblaster in a bit and you can see what it's like in there. Gonna have a quick go at blasting these, just for fun, probably with my new toy.